kids! Welcome to KidZone. Today we learn the alphabet A to Z and 3 words. Let's drive on it. A is for apple. Ant. Airplane. The A says ah. B is for ball. Bear. Balloon. The B says boom. C is for cat. Car. Cupcake. The C says D is for dog. Duck. Drum. The D says duh. E is for egg. Elephant. Elbow. The E says F is for fish. Flower. Frog. The F says foo.
G is for goat. Gift. Grapes. The G says H.
H is for hat. Heart. House. The H says huh. I is for igloo. Ice cream. Insight. The I says
J is for jump. Jar. Jet. The J says G.
K is for keet. Key. King. The K says ku. L is for lion. Leaf. Lamp. The L says L. M is for monkey. Moon. Milk. The M says
L is for nest. Nose. Nut. The N says N.
O is for owl. Orange. Octopus. The O says O. P is for penguin. Pumpkin. Pig. The P says P. Q is for queen. Quilt. Quack. The Q says Q. R is for rainbow. Robot. Rabbit. The R says R. S is for sun. Star. Snake. The S says T is for tiger. Tree. Train. The T says U is for umbrella. Underwear. Unicorn. The U says V is for van. Violin. Vegetables. The V says V. W is for whale. Worm. Watch. The W says whew. X is for X-ray. Xylophone. Xmas. The X says X. Y is for yak. Yogurt. Yellow. The Y says ya. Z is for zebra. Zipper. Zero. The Z says zzz.
Wow! Great job learning today! Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss another adventure with us. Bye-bye!